Oh, this will be alright.
It works for Sarah.
Maybe.
I have trouble with woods.
Yeah.
Get up because of my tyres. See what happens. That looks like a hole for a snake. Not even kidding. That's not even kidding. Alright. To the car wash. Do you want to find a spot on the log? Or even up. You probably want to be.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Set. Go. Yeah.
Oh!
Woo. Shit.
That was a crunch. The wood
Righty.
On what?
On your...
on the whole arse end.
On the toe ball or?
Yeah, it's straight across. Straight across here. Area.
No, that sounded really bad.
Yeah, it didn't sound great, but...
Yep, look.
Puffed them out.
Yep.
Yep, both sides. Got more in here.
Well, Wyatt,
Busted the
you and
back,
me were the first ones to take this bar off.
ripped the back guard.
So Chris, that's interesting about the clearance.
Yeah, because Wyatt, I
mangled
sounded
that.
like it fucking ripped it
Yeah,
off.
it hit hard.
So here's all the screws which belong here and here.
Where's the other
And
one?
one's all the way over here.
Bro, you just got no traction on that.
Three.
On that wood.
I can never get traction on wood in this. I don't know. I think it's the tyres.
Yeah.